yield of a bond is a very important concept in finance. So the yield of a bond is essentially the internal rate of return on the bond. In other words, it's the rate at which the discounted value of the cash flows equals the bond price. So let's consider a bond with $100 face value, pays 9% annual coupon. So for example, it's a 20-year bond. It'll pay us $9 for 19 years, and then the 20th year, it'll pay us back the face value of $100 plus that $9 coupon. Okay, and so what we want to do is figure out the relationship between the price and the yield. So if you pick a yield and you pick the number of years in the bond and you know the coupon and the face value, the price would just be at that yield, what's the discounted, basically, value in today's dollars, or the NPV of the cash flows coupon plus face value for the bond. So we can use Excel financial functions to find this for one combination of the term of the bond, the number of years, and the yield of the bond, and then use a data table to loop through, let's say 1, 5, 10, 20-year bond, and yield being 5%, 8%, 9%, 10%, and 15%. And then if we just copy the values from the data table without the formula in the upper left-hand corner, we can do a nice chart, which is the price yield curve. So let's go through that. Okay, so if we have a 20-year term of the bond and it's 10% yield, okay, what is the price of that bond? Well, you're getting $100 and you would do that basically discounted at the yield 10%, and you would discount it back 20 years. Okay, so the formula is in here. We can see it with the text function here. And then the coupons, you would take the present value at the yield, 10%. You're getting how many coupons? One for each year, 20 years, 20 coupons. And you have to put a minus sign here to make the PV be positive if you followed our PV videos. So you would take minus 9% because that's the coupon rate times the face value. So that's minus $9 every year, or $9 every year. Okay, so this is the present value of getting $9 time 1, time 2, through time 20. We've already taken care of the $100. So that would be the price of this bond. In other words, a 20-year bond at yield of 10% with 9% coupons would sell for $91.49. So now how do we loop through? Well, we copy this formula right here. Okay, so now we can do a data table. Data, what if analysis, data table, row input cell. The numbers in the first row are going to be the yields. The numbers in the first column are the length of the loan. And Excel took a while to do that. Now if I put this in currency, and then I've copied that down here. So in other words, I just pointed to this cell here and copied the yields and the length of the loan. Okay, so now if you want to chart this, you'd go insert, you'd go scatter, probably look cooler like that. And that's going to be your price yield curve right there. And what you can see is the 30-year is on top and the 1 year is on the bottom. Okay, so you can see there the bond's going to be worth a lot more when it's a 30-year bond with that given yield there than it is if it's a 1 year bond, because you're getting more, you're getting all those coupons, although you're getting the face value later. But you can see basically at 9%, okay, which is equal to the coupon rate, no matter what the length of the bond, it's going to sell for what they call par, or the face value. You can see all those points at 9% go through the same point. But you can see these are not linear relationships, okay? They start out steeper and they get flatter. And if you read any good book on investments, you'll be able to learn much more about this. My favorite book is Investment Science by David Lewinberg. I think that lets the intelligent person really understand what's going on in the mathematics of finance.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.